Hello and good morning. I know it's been forever and a decade. I'm sorry, I'm busy. It's pretty much gonna be, you're gonna see videos every so often whenever I have time to get them done. It is 7 something in the morning. I'm still waking up. Got my tea going here. Yummy. Kids are up, getting ready for school. They have exams coming up soon. That's gonna be fun. It's the first time the one's writing exams. I got a hair or something in my eye. First time the one's writing exams, and yeah, it's gonna be fun and interesting. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here today. I think I'm going to bring you guys along with me for the day. And sorry, there's like a hair or something touching my eye. I can't find it. So I'm gonna bring you along for my day. This morning I'm going to some fitness classes. I'm gonna go to 2 more muscle mix, and then a Zumba class. And then from there, I do not know what my day is going to, how my day is going to unfold. I have no idea. I honestly don't. I know what I'm doing for supper tonight. But yeah, let's see how the day goes, okay? I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna finish my tea and I'm gonna check out Instagram. And yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so you can see I'm now dressed and ready to go to the gym. Yeah, now I'm dressed and ready to go to the gym, but I still have to put more clothes on because I gotta walk down to the gym. And it's a bit brisk and chilly out there. So there we go, gym outfit on, check. Now to brush my teeth and put more clothes on to go to the gym. Okay, now I am dressed and ready, heading out. Can you see all the snow? Look at all the snow behind me. It's insane. This all came in like one night. Not like Newfoundland though. I can't remember how much snow they got. They got hammered. We didn't up here, thankfully. We have about, I'll say about half a foot, maybe a foot of snow. Just depends on where you're looking. But the roads are nothing but, here, let me see if I can show you. That's the road. It's nothing but packed snow. Anyway, I gotta pay attention where I'm going. I really don't want to get hit because here comes somebody. Oh, it's cold. I'm gonna take 5 seconds because I'm on the sidewalk, so I can talk now. And it's actually pretty normal to see people walking around talking on their phones like this anymore. People don't really, you know, I could be Snapchatting somebody. I think that's what it's called. My kids are always doing it. I don't have it. I hate it. It drives me nuts. Anyway. So you guys are noticing I'm not putting up as many videos. Reason being, I'm busy. I am very busy. You can see, like, I'm on my way to the gym. Go get my sweat on. And I quite enjoy it too. I've met an amazing group of women there. All empowering women that cheer each other on, which is awesome. I'll have to stop and check my mail on the way home. Oh, the mail won't be here yet. But anyway, I'm going a different route today. Normally I go a different route, but I decided I'm gonna go this way. But yeah, just busy between work and physically taking care of myself and my health. Sorry guys, I'm trying to watch where I'm walking, not what I'm talking to. And that I just don't have as much time as I did before. Yes, I'm getting winded. It's because I'm warm. I wear a parka because you have to. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold here. I can't even remember. I looked at the temperature before I left. But yes, that's why. Between work and taking care of myself, taking care of my children, taking care of my house, and all this, it eats up a lot of my time. oh, I'm going to try and get these in. Like, I thought today would be a great day to do this because it's my day off. It's been a while. This way you guys can kind of get an idea of what I do just on my days off. I go to the gym. I work out. I have canning I need to do. It'll still be there when I get to it. I'm living a completely different life. And you know what? I don't mind it at all. I enjoy it. And everyone who knew me before and now agree that this lifestyle that I'm living now is a lot better for me. Okay, I'm gonna put my hands back in my pockets. They're cold. And I'll see you guys if the gym is empty, and I'll show you where I'm going. Something else I meant to let you guys know. You guys probably noticed. Maybe, I don't know. I've disabled my comment section. I did that because I don't have time to keep up with all of the, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of great comments, but then there's the, for lack of a better word, the jackasses that honestly I just can't be bothered to monitor anymore. Oh hey, that sidewalk's plowed. Ah. I just can't be bothered. I can't. Oh, I like this video, but it needs more bending. Really? Come on, you dirty pig. You know, I just can't keep up with that stuff anymore. I don't have the time, and I don't want it being put out there. And honestly, and with all the new changes that they're doing to YouTube, it's better if I have my comment section disabled. So if you want to get a hold of me, you'll know how to. I have an email still, and you can get a hold of me on my Instagram. But my Instagram name changed. It is now Just Living Life 2020. Yes, I changed my name there. And I got rid of my Facebook page too, because I just don't have the time. And I had to scale things back, and that was what went. But yes, that is what I'm doing. I got rid of all that stuff. So if you guys want to talk to me, you'll know how to. Okay, now back to my walking. Okay, I'm here. I'm the only one here. Can you see? Yeah. This huge giant mirror, right? It's a nice little gym. Well, this is not the gym, this is the upstairs. But yeah. But I'm about half an hour early. But the thing is that everyone will start showing up in about 10, 15 minutes or so. So it won't be so bad. I'm just gonna find a spot to sit down and sit there for a few minutes instead of going and warming up, because I'm here for 2 classes. So I'll see you afterwards, because I gotta get my headband on, because yes, I wear a headband, I sweat. Okay, done my workout for the day. Oh, I hurt. Oh, hang on. I hurt. I'm just like a dog. I hurt. Anyone else's dog do that? They're pretending they're hurt because they don't want to do something. Ours does all the time. It's absolutely hilarious. That's our new thing. We go around saying, I hurt. Anyway, but it's a good hurt. So, done that. Just stopped and got my lottery tickets. Why? I never win anything, but it's that hope and dream, right? But on my walk home, I'm deciding, what do I want to eat? Because I'm starving. I'm starving. And I had to put my phone away very soon because I'm about to walk up to a public school. But yeah, thinking I'm gonna have leftovers. We had a stir fry last night for supper. Leftovers sound pretty damn good to me right now. Actually, anything sounds good to me right now. Okay, I'm back when I'm doing something other than walking in the freezing cold, because, you know, I live off the lake now, it's cold. And when it's windy, oh, it's cold. Okay, so I decided to go with the stir fry. I fried it up. I'm gonna go eat this and watch some TV. I decided to leave the frying pan there just in case I need more food, because this may not be enough to feed me, even though yes, there is a lot there. Just the reality of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat, watch some TV, and then probably hit the shower when I'm done that. Okay, so I've now showered. I put a hair mask in, so that's gonna sit for 20 minutes, and you gotta wrap it up in a nice towel. This is a bleach towel, so I really don't care if it gets damaged or whatever. I'm gonna go vacuum. I got myself one of the, hang on. I got one of these. Oh, there's Bimba. Bimba. But anyway, I got one of these vacuums. Where in the heck? There we go. I got one of these little stick vacuum things, so I don't have to look around the Dyson everywhere, because this house doesn't get dirty like the other one did, guys. You know how nice that is? Oh, the other place, I was constantly cleaning it because it was always dirty. This place stays pretty clean. So, well, this sets in my hair. It makes my hair and my scalp all beautiful and smelling awesome, because it smells like mango. Yes. I'm gonna vacuum, but I'm gonna go and spray the kids' bathtub first. And yeah, I think it's really about my day. I don't know though. We'll see. But I'll bring you back in a second. Okay, now I know I use a lot of green cleaners. Not so much now, but I still do. But seriously, this, oh, this is magic, man. I love it. I love this stuff. I use it on pretty much all of the bathtubs. Why? Because it works great. Okay, that's all rinsed out of my hair now. But I think what I'm going to do is pretty much end this video here, because I'm about to clean our bathroom shelf. This is the stuff I use on my hair. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway, I'm going to end it here because I'm going to do another video today. I'm going to do a cook with me. Because what I'm doing for dinner tonight is I'm going to make some rotisserie chicken in my toaster oven. Well, it's not a toaster oven, it's actually a conventional oven. And I made sure I bought one that has a rotisserie to make chicken in it. Oh, it turns out so good. And I'm also going to be making some wild rice with brown rice, so mixed together, chicken flavored. Yum. And then some kind of vegetable, I don't know what yet, but so look forward to that when I get around to editing that, because I'm editing this video as I'm going, so you'll actually see this today, the day I'm making it, because like I said, I'm going to finish this off now so I can finish cleaning, sit down for a little bit, and then start making dinner, because it is now 1:30, so by the time I get all this done and that chicken going, it'll be time to get it going. So I will talk to you guys again soon. Check out, see if the comments are on this video or not. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep the comments on or off, but I do have them all disabled on all my other videos. From this point back, they're all disabled. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet. Because like I said, I can't be bothered to deal with those people anymore. I just can't be. So if the comments are there, feel free to leave a comment. If they're not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.